Welcome to the Shika Serbu Motor channel. This channel provides easy-to-understand explanations of car mechanisms. A sway bar, also known as an anti-roll bar or stabilizer, is a device used to reduce body roll during cornering. The left and right ends are connected to the suspension lower arms, and the central part is supported by the body subframe. It is made of a spring steel bar and generates a resistance force against twisting. When one end is fixed and force is applied to the other end, it will twist while generating a reaction force. When the force is released, it returns to its original position. When force is applied in the same direction at both ends, no spring force is generated, and the sway bar can move without resistance. Let's look at the operation of the sway bars. First, the behavior of the car without the sway bar. If the suspension springs and shock absorbers of this car are soft enough, the left and right suspensions will compress without resistance when going over a speed bump, providing an excellent ride comfort. When cornering, a soft suspension cannot support the lateral G-forces, causing excessive body rolling, which results in poor ride comfort. In the case of a car with a sway bar, when crossing over a speed bump, the left and right tires move in the same direction, so no spring force is not generated on the sway bar, allowing the left and right suspensions to move without resistance. During cornering, the spring force of the sway bar limits the movement of the left and right suspensions, reducing the body roll angle and improving ride comfort. We can see that the body roll angle differs depending on whether a sway bar is present. A sway bar is an essential device that doesn't interfere with suspension movement during straight driving, but reduces the roll angle during cornering. However, the sway bar does have its drawback. What happens if only one tire rides over a bump while driving straight? Since the left and right lower arms move in opposite directions, the sway bar restricts their movement with its spring force, worsening ride comfort. To overcome that drawback, the active sway bar has been developed. An electric active sway bar is equipped with an electric motor at the center of the sway bar. When the electric motor is not operating, the left and right bars can move independently. During left cornering, if the sway bar does not function, the car leans significantly to the right. However, in practice, the system detects the car's behavior and activates the electric motor before excessive roll occurs, generating a force that pushes up the bar on the left side and pushes down the bar on the right side. This operation causes the left suspension to compress and the right suspension to extend, reducing the roll angle. To activate the active sway bar, it is necessary to determine whether the suspension movement is caused by road surface irregularities or by cornering. For this reason, in cars equipped with an active sway bar, the control unit continuously monitors factors such as vehicle speed, steering input, yaw, pitching, and roll rate, and suspension stroke. The active sway bar was first introduced in the 2001 BMW 7 Series, Type E65. Since a large force is required to activate active sway bars, BMW's system was hydraulically controlled. In 2005, to improve responsiveness, the Lexus GS430 adopted an electric active sway bar. In recent years, as vehicle weight has increased and more high-power components like active sway bars and EPS, electric power steering, have been added, more vehicles are adopting 48 volts electrical systems. If you're interested in the 48 volts electrical system, please watch the video, 48 volts car electrical system. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.